This brand is a part of Heat Controller, which is a part of Mars, but they are only sold through authorized dealers. The RADS models are cool-only window air conditioners that use environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant. They are available in 9 sizes from 5,000 to 28,000 BTU and have a 12.1 ER efficiency rating. They are Wi-Fi enabled so they can be controlled by a smartphone and use 115-volt power for flexibility in installation. The RAH series models have a 10.9 ER efficiency rating and electric heating. They use 208/230-volt power and are rather loud with a sound rating of 55 decibels. The RXTS units are U-shaped so that the window can be closed and the compressor section, which is the noisiest, can be outside. They use inverter compressors and have a sound rating that is equivalent to less than the sound from a light rain. They are available in 3 sizes from 8 to 12,000 BTU, use 115-volt power and work with Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. The BG series offers basic cool only through the wall (TTW) models, while the BGE series have electric heating. The RAH series offers TTW heat pumps, but the units automatically switch to electric heat when the outdoor temperature is 40 degrees. They have a rather low 9.9 ER efficiency and are relatively loud with a sound level roughly equivalent to a washing machine. The CD series offers 115-volt units for casement windows, and they are available in 2 sizes, 8 or 10,000 BTU. The guarantee on the brand is very minimal and their dealer network is very limited.